Perform
Hey, बैठिए. Please sit down. Please sit down. You want to interview in English?
Thank you, sir.
Good. Anmesh,
Yes, sir.
you have done chemical engineering from NIT Rourkela.
Yes, sir.
Which year you did it?
Sir, 2015.
15.
Yes, sir.
And NIT. Now, what are NITs? ये क्या चीज़ है NITs? बहुत सारे NIT हैं इंडिया में. Oh, no, sorry, you were in English. So explain me why was the NIT set up and what are these actually?
Sir, its full form is National Institute of Technology. It actually, the colleges which were reputed in every state, they were given status of a National Institute of Technology in around 2000 for the purpose of providing quality education throughout the country. That was the reason. So my college is specific. It was founded in 1961. REC was the name. It was then converted to a National Institute of Technology in 2000.
And then, so you have a chemical engineer. But are you in job somewhere after taking the degree from chemical?
No, sir. I started preparing for civil services after my degree.
Of course, it's your freedom. But did not feel that you did the engineering and then you are shifting field. Will you be able to cope with the pressures of the civil service because you have left one field? You thought that it will be very burdensome, so I will go for a easier option. Life may you will always look for easier option or will try to fight obstacles.
Sir, during my times there was a boom of engineering and medical. So following the boom, I opted for engineering. But during my college days, I understood that I have this thing for civil services, so I started preparing for civil services. That's why I even didn't get any job, because from my college it was actually easier to go into some kind of job because my college provided that platform to land a good job. But I wanted to enter this field. That's why I opted for civil services. And sir, the journey has been long and I have learned from my journey and I'm proud of my journey, sir.
Does your experience in heartful meditation help you in preparing for this exam?
Yes,
you
sir.
believe in heartful meditation?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
has it been of any use?
Sir, it has been a tremendous use in my preparation because during this preparation there are phases of highs and lows. I have experienced my highs. For example, clearing forest services was a high in my PT of forest services was a high in my journey, and getting rejected in the examination was a low in my journey. In that highs and lows, this practice has helped me a lot to calm me down, to follow my heart, to do what I need, to do what I want, to do what I love. So I can say, sir, this has helped me a lot.
Meditation is some saints do it. In the recent 1 century, 2 century India, name some top level we have a expertise in meditation, some yogis, saints. So let me have some names.
So I follow Heartfulness meditation, which is based in Hyderabad. Our Honorable Vice President recently inaugurated the Heartfulness Center in Hyderabad, which is under Kamlesh Patel. Similar is Mindfulness meditation, which is done by Sadhguru. It is popularized by Sadhguru. Ravi Shankar, Sri Ravi Shankar, he teaches about way of life.
You talk of Sadhguru, Jagdish Sadhguru.
Yes, sir.
But there are a lot of rumors about him, that he killed his wife, and have you ever studied these things? What is the fact in this? Is it fact or someone is trying just to blame him?
Sir, I have followed his teachings he is in mindfulness meditation. I feel the teaching is good. Sir, I haven't followed his personal life.
Anyhow, whatever he does in personal life, but his meditation techniques, whatever he says, you feel good and beneficial.
Sir, I followed that practice when I was in search of some kind of meditation. Actually, my teacher has taught to practice and feel everything which you can, and then you yourself to choose what is right for you. I practiced it and I felt it was good.
You have also been a student of anthropology.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me something about Darwin theory of selection, natural selection. Is it a part of anthropology?
Yes, sir, it is a part of anthropology. It is a part of anthropology, sir. he actually put forward his theory in his book on the origin of species. And in this, he basically propounded around population increases in a geometric way and food increases in arithmetic way. So at some point of time, there will be some competition, both interspecific and intraspecific. In that point of time, the more the fittest the species, it will survive. That is known as survival of the fittest. And in that mutation, the species will be originated.
Now let me put you as this: you believe in meditation. You also are saying Darwin's natural theory of selection.
Yes, sir.
If we believe in Darwin's natural theory of selection, then there is no question of God. Process went on a selection and the human involved. There was no one called God. That's why. What is your view in that?
So it is a big debate regarding creationism and evolutionism. And as a student of science and anthropology, I believe in evolution. But at the same time, as the student of meditation, I believe in some inner power, the power which is in the heart, the source of light, which guides us to do things which are good. Our heart guides what is wrong, what is not wrong, what is correct, what is love, what is not good for thing. So I follow that. I follow one single God which is inside the heart, and I personally follow that God, and that is the light that I follow.
Chalo, I will stop at that. I won't go more than that, please.
Animesh,
Yes, sir.
a lot of talk is there about the meditations. What is the basic use of meditations?
Sir, meditation is concentrating on a particular focus. The basic use is to calm down the mind, to increase the concentration, to bring the peace which is required for these days of life. In this hectic life, we want to talk to ourselves. I think meditation is that medium to talk to ourselves.
Concentration on a book, concentration on a topic is also kind of meditation?
Yes, sir, it is also a kind of meditation.
So, if meditation is very important, so what about the yoga?
Sir, meditation is a part of yoga. Yoga is an umbrella term which includes meditation.
Okay. Animesh, you have done your NIT Raulkela Chemical Engineering. What is Raulkela famous for?
Sir, Raurkela is famous for two things. One is Raurkela Steel Plant and second is National Institute of Technology, Raurkela.
Okay. Your preference is for DSP and BFS and ADTO.
Yes, sir.
At present, the police job is very challenging in Bihar.
Yes, sir.
And most of the people, the general perception is the negative image of the police
Yes.
among the people. What is your view about this, that how the image of the police in public can be more better?
Sir, I think the solution which we can follow here is the concept of community policing, which has shown a tremendous success in states like Tamil Nadu, where there is concept called Friends of Police. So the basic thing which I understood from this concept is the grievance redressal and the feedback mechanism. If this thing is there in the society, in the community, then community can feel empowered to make the society the first line of defense.
Can you say something about Article 21?
Article 21 is our fundamental right, which gives us a fundamental right to life with dignity.
Explain it more.
Sir, the Supreme Court has elaborated a number of things in this Article 21, where there is right to life with dignity. This dignity has concept of right to food, right to marriage, right to privacy, right to education, and a whole lot of list which is given by Supreme Court under this article.
What is basic differences between a fundamental right and the natural right?
So fundamental right is enshrined in the Constitution, and natural right is the right which is given to a person on the basis of birth in a particular country.
Can you define the term dignity? Okay. Okay, why Article 32 is known as the soul of Indian Constitution?
So Article 32 is because the whole article before Article 32 is given to a person, but Article 32 empowers Supreme Court to act as a guardian of this fundamental right. A person who is not given fundamental right, they can directly approach to Supreme Court. So it makes the Supreme Court the guarantor of fundamental rights.
So under Article 32, what the Supreme Court does?
So under it, Supreme, there are 4 or 5, I am unable to recall, but there are 4 or 5 provisions so that Supreme Court directly can restore the fundamental right if broken.
Can you point out the differences between directive principles of state policy and fundamental right?
So fundamental rights are rights which are guaranteed to the citizens of India, and the DPSP, directive principles of state policies, they are certain policies which are there, which our constitution makers suggested to be incorporated in the constitution and should be incorporated in law with time. They are, yes sir.
Fundamental rights is given to the citizen of India. So how many fundamental rights is given to the aliens?
So every fundamental rights is given to aliens also, except Article 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30.
30, very good.
Yes, जी सर.
आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है?
सर 17 मार्च 1993.
1993.
जी सर.
आपने बीटेक किया कब? 2015 में.
2015 में कंप्लीट किया है
ठीक है.
सर.
तो आप 4 अटेम्प्ट ऑलरेडी दे चुके हैं.
जी
ठीक
सर.
है. तो इस बार क्या उम्मीद है आपको?
सर इस बार मैं श्योर हूँ, कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ कि मेरा अपने फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस से मेरा हो जाएगा.
क्या वजह रहा है जो पिछले 4 बार आप 4 बार में कहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं?
सर ये मेरा पहला इंटरव्यू है.
ये पहला इंटरव्यू.
जी सर.
कितनी बार आप प्रीलिम्स क्वालिफाई किए?
सर प्रीलिम्स में क्वालिफाई नहीं किया.
कितना?
कभी क्वालिफाई नहीं किया बीपीएससी का प्रीलिम्स.
प्रीलिम्स कभी क्वालिफाई नहीं किए?
नहीं सर.
तो कैसे आप इंटरव्यू में पहुँचे?
सर इसी बार बस एक बार क्वालिफाई किया, इसके पहले मैंने क्वालिफाई नहीं किया है.
ये फर्स्ट टाइम आपका प्रीलिम्स है?
फर्स्ट टाइम. जी सर.
तो क्या आप स्ट्रेटजी फॉलो किए हो कि इस बार लगता है कि निकल जाएगा?
सर इस बार सर सीरियसनेस फोकस बस एक ही चीज़ पे था कि बीपीएससी ही निकालना है. इससे पहले यूपीएससी पे ही फोकस था मेरा. इस बार सोल फोकस एक ही था कि बीपीएससी निकालना. उसी हिसाब से मैंने तैयारी किया है, इसलिए मैं सर कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ इस बार मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ सर कि मैं अपने पहले प्रेफरेंस के साथ मैं निकल जाऊँगा.
ठीक है. हु इज़ द फादर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री?
सर लेवोजियर. लेवोजियर फादर ऑफ इज
फुल नेम?
ए लेवोजियर सर. मैंने
केमिस्ट्री स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फादर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री.
जी सर.
अच्छा. बिहार में पेट्रोलियम जो हम लोग पेट्रोल यूज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है,
सर.
तो ये जो रिसोर्सेज हैं काफ़ी लिमिटेड है. ठीक है.
जी सर.
तो इसके लिए बिहार सरकार ने और केंद्र सरकार ने, ठीक है, एक पहल स्टार्ट की है. ठीक है.
जी सर.
उसके लिए एक इंडस्ट्री भी डेवलप हुआ है. ठीक है. उद्घाटन हुआ है जस्ट कुछ दिन पहले.
जी सर.
क्या है उसके बारे में?
सर इथेनॉल पॉलिसी लाया गया है इस चीज़ को लेके कि जो रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी उस चीज़ पे ज़्यादा फोकस किया जाए, और इसीलिए उस चीज़ पे तरफ बढ़ावा भी दिया जा रहा है क्लाइमेट को लेके और पेट्रोलियम. इथेनॉल एक टारगेट है कि मेरे ख्याल से अराउंड 20% ब्लेंड करना है पेट्रोल में, जिससे पॉल्यूशन कम किया जाए और जो नीड है पॉल्यूशन का, जो पेट्रोल डीजल का जो नीड है उसको कम किया जाए. C2H5OH. OH. Sir, SP, Superintendent of Police, is responsible for district, and DSP is Deputy Superintendent of Police. उसका वो रोल, उसका फंक्शन है कि ये कोऑर्डिनेशन बनाए एक थाना प्रभारी और एसपी के बीच में. उसके अंडर 4-5 थाना आता है डीएसपी के अंदर. उसका ये काम हो जाता है डीएसपी का कि वो एक कोऑर्डिनेशन बनाए एसपी और थाना प्रभारी के बीच में.
ओके सर.
Not much. You have answered the questions fairly good. I hope you are also current affairs you have monitored. What are the region of Sri Lanka crisis? Sri Lanka crisis you must have watched.
Yes, sir.
What are the regions of that?
So Sri Lanka is basically tourism place. In fact, prior to COVID crisis, there was some terrorism related issue. After COVID, the tourism industry sank down. So there was the shortage of money, fuel and food. And with political instability, it led to a crisis.
ठीक है, thank you very much. You can go.
थैंक यू